Well, Chief Meteorologist Bob Harrigan joining us now with a look at our forecast. What can we expect this weekend ahead?
Well, it was warm today, wasn't it?
I know, it was.
78 degrees.
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, a lot of folks writing home, back home to some of their people that live up north. Hey, it was nice down there, 78. We are looking at some warm weather tomorrow. Should be a nice day. And then Sunday, changes are in store. This is the Casey Key webcam showing a review of what was going on today, especially this afternoon. It's quite nice out there, although a bit windy at times. We had a lake wind advisory. Still breezy tonight as winds are moving basically from the east and warming us up here along the Sun Coast. So looks like a couple of photos sent in. This one from Art Conforti, who's watching right now on Facebook. Art, appreciate that beautiful shot. This is a look at the Ringling Bridge, and a nice shot it was with clear skies. Weather headlines read like this. Look for variable clouds on Saturday, so we'll see a mixture of sun and clouds. Because of the storm system developing in the Gulf of Mexico, some high clouds will be streaming overhead, but the sun will come through now and again. Showers to move in on Sunday. The timing of it now appears to be afternoon and mainly in the late afternoon and evening, and it looks like cooler weather for Tuesday. Now we'll see the chillier weather move in on Monday, but then the cooler weather will be in colder weather on Tuesday and Wednesday morning. And the weather looks okay, by the way, for the Gasparilla invasion tomorrow. Things are looking okay for that tomorrow as well. A lot of people attending that. You can see these low-level clouds moving this way. That's the high-pressure ridge off the Carolina coast. We have an upper-level low, which continues to bring some rainfall into Texas and Louisiana. And then the high-pressure system is still located well to our north, but it's a big high. And around that high-pressure ridge, we're getting this east to southeasterly wind at times, and that is bringing in some warm, moist air to the east coast. You can see even a few light rain showers there. We have some high clouds streaming in, though, from the southwest, and the lower clouds are staying along the east. Now, this is just one forecast model. This is the U.S. model, GFS, indicating the rain a little earlier, right around 10 o'clock, starting to come in, but really picking up in intensity just after 2:30, 3 o'clock. And then not all that intense with the heavier storms to the north. Now, there is a chance we'll see some thunderstorms. Right now, the risk of severe weather is really quite small at this point, so we're really not anticipating much in terms of severe weather. This is the European model. Now, this is a little later in the day. We start to see that rain build up, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The heavier rain coming after 4, 5, or 4 o'clock up to about 6 o'clock. The heavier showers moving through, and then still lingering on Monday morning. Now, we'll get to another model in just a minute, but currently we have 64 degrees. The dew point is at 56, and winds are out of the east at 9. The pressure way up there, 30, 37. The high today, I want to show you real quickly, 78 was the high. This morning's low was warm at 62. Well, it's 50 in Jacksonville, 55 in Orlando, 60 degrees in Miami, and 65 in Key West. Tomorrow's forecast looks pretty good for Saturday. I think it'll be the best of the 2 days. We'll see a mixture of sun and clouds with highs in the upper 70s. Should be really quite nice out there. Still a bit of a breeze, though, out of the east, and this particular forecast model shows a few clouds around now and again through Saturday. Big storms to the north of us, as you see, kind of blowing up there. And then this particular line, this is at 2:30 in the afternoon, approaching the Sun Coast, and then moving in not until 5:30. So take your pick. I think basically it looks like a little later in the afternoon we're going to see that. As far as rainfall totals go, I think most everyone will see some rain, more like a half inch. There could be some isolated areas up to about an inch. Current temps around the U.S., chilly weather and cold weather starting to move in over the northern plain states. Still pretty mild for this time, 50 in Cleveland. And as far as highs go tomorrow, 46 there in Cleveland, 50s though in St. Louis and Kansas City. Still very cold over the northern plain states. Well, here is a look at the forecast for us. Saturday, not bad, 78, a few clouds. First alert weather day for showers and a few thunderstorms, a few scattered in the morning, more numerous in the afternoon and evening. Cools down a little bit on Monday, but much cooler on Tuesday, 64 for your high. A chilly start on Wednesday morning and 40s, low 40s, even some upper 30s inland. And then we warm up gradually on Thursday and Friday. Jacqueline?
Okay, thank you so much, Bob.